Samsung Galaxy G Fold is no longer just a concept, it's real. And it's unlike anything we've seen in the foldable market. While Huawei was the first to release a tri-foldable phone, its design left part of the inner display exposed, raising serious durability concerns. Samsung, however, is taking a smarter route. A new leak from the One UI 8 code gives us the clearest look yet at the Galaxy G Fold, confirming a tri-foldable that folds left to right in a unique three-step process. First, the left side folds in, and then both folded sections stack on top of the third panel. This mechanism eliminates the issue of exposed edges, protecting the inner screen entirely when closed, and making Samsung's tri-foldable far more durable than Huawei's version. That said, durability comes at a cost. The addition of a cover display makes the device thicker than other foldables. But this trade-off is worthwhile, since the cover display is more resilient than the inner screen, ensuring protection when the device is folded. What you get in return is a massive 10-inch foldable display that functions as a smartphone, tablet, and even a laptop alternative. Durability has always been the Achilles heel of foldables, but Samsung's approach appears to finally solve that problem. Another major leap is in the hinge system. According to leaks, the G Fold will feature a hinge mechanism similar to the one coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 7, with a flat-body design that improves both reliability and aesthetics. If you liked the flat sides of the Z Fold 6, you'll see the same refined edges here, bringing a solid, premium feel. Audio won't be overlooked either. Sources suggest that the G Fold uses the same speaker drivers as the Z Fold 7, with dual speakers promising an immersive sound experience. However, this groundbreaking design won't be widely available at launch. Samsung plans a limited rollout, initially targeting South Korea and China. The global launch is uncertain, but insiders report that the device is slated for the third quarter of this year. No specific month has been locked in, which could hint at delays, but Samsung is clearly preparing for at least a showcase before the year ends. Pricing is where the Galaxy G Fold may divide opinions. Foldables have always been expensive, with the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5 both starting at $1,899. Early expectations for the G Fold placed it around $1,899, $2,500, but fresh reports suggest a much steeper tag, between $3,000 and $3,500. That's nearly double the Z Fold 7 and almost triple the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Whether Samsung can justify this cost will depend on how much consumers value the durability, larger displays, and the multi-device experience packed into this form factor. What's certain is that the Galaxy G Fold is not just another phone. It's Samsung's boldest experiment yet, aiming to set the standard for tri-foldables in 2025.